Does trying a new skincare product scare you? Because most products either irritate your skin or have had no effect whatsoever. The answer lies in the ingredient list. Most skincare products are either formulated with low amounts of quality ingredients or contain harsh active ingredients which damage your skin barrier in order to change your skin. Hi, I'm Adeline, and I am the founder and formulator of Sabbatical Beauty, a line which I created because all the skincare products I tried either didn't work or irritated my sensitive skin. Unlike most skincare products, we put quality ingredients at the top of our ingredient lists so our customers see impressive results quickly no matter their skin age or texture. Along with prioritizing results, we also prioritize diversity at Sabbatical. We choose real people of all skin tones, sizes, and ages who we think are beautiful to be our brand representatives because we want you to see yourself in our vision. Supporting community is also hugely important to our brand. During the COVID pandemic, we donated masks and hand sanitizers to essential businesses, homeless shelters, and nonprofits. If our mission aligns with you, here's where we need your help. We're making this video to apply to the L'Oreal X NAACP grant. If we get this grant, we want to use it to gift more of our products to content creators out there so that more people can learn about our mission and see how effective our products are. If you would like to be one of these creators, please do like and share this post so that we can expand this gifting program to creators like you.